watching those 2 place value videos. We're now going to get into these worksheets, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do on them. This one, you see how they have holes on them first? They're going to stay in your binder. That's where they're going to live. Don't rip them out. Don't take them out. Put your name on it and shove them into your binder. Well, not shove. Put them nicely in your binder so you don't rip them. If you want to work with them when they're not in your binder, you can do that. This is our place value chart. Some of you are thinking, I already know my place value. Some of you, however, struggled on that a couple weeks ago on our daily math. So we're going to be taking a look at it. Right here is our decimal place. So we're going to be looking at all the different numbers we have here. And I'm just going to do one with you. Every once in a while, we're going to come back here. So if I put a number right here, this 2 is in the thousands place. This 3 is in the hundredths place. This 4 is in the tenths place. The 5 is in the ones place. It coordinates with what is above it. Now we hit the decimal. This is also considered the word and. Remember that from a couple weeks ago in our daily math? Then we're hitting on the right-hand side of the decimal. We have the tenths place. We have the hundredths place. So the 6 is in the tenths place. The 7 is in the hundredths place. The 8 is in the thousandths place. The 9 is in the 10,000ths. I'm going to start over with a 1, and then I'm going to put a 2 here. So each one of these have a different place value. We're going to flip over. On this worksheet, I'm going to do number 1 with you so you know what you're going to do. Now, this 9 is selected right here. My people that like to highlight, you can highlight that if you want. What place is the selected digit in? If you need to flip back over this and look, you will see that it's the place value to the left. The first one to the left, so it's the 1 place. So you're going to write out the word 1. What is the value of the selected digit? It is 9. If I look at number 2, I want to show you what this one looks like since it's in the decimal place. This right here is in, let's see, the tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And the value of the selected digit, we have 0.008. That's where it's at. Now, let's look over here at this. This is our other worksheet that we got. In each of these, we're going to underline the digit in the thousandths place. So the 8 is in the thousandths, the 2, the 3, and the 9. So that's what you're going to do on these ones. If I flip it over, we are going to, on number 1, write down the place value of 7 in each of these numbers. So 7 is right here. That is the tens place. If you need to go look at your chart, make sure you're doing that. In this one, 7 is in the hundredths place. Down here on C, right here, that is the tenths place. And then we have this guy right here on D. He's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over. So if you need to look at your chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, we have 100,000s. And I have to write a lot smaller for that one. Remember, anytime we are in the right-hand side of the decimal, we have to add that THS to the end. When you're finished with this, you're going to be reading AR. You can choose to work in your group of 3 if you would like. However, if you're getting too loud, the sub is more than welcome to separate you and work individually. So you have the full class time to be working on this. Whatever you get done, that's what you get done. If you don't get it done, we'll finish it at another day. This is to go in your binder when you're finished, then your binder's going back up on the shelf. Or if you want to take it home to study, that is fine too, because you have a test tomorrow, so make sure that you are paying attention to that